In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all tables the same size in Google Docs. This is a great way to ensure consistency across your documents, especially if you're working on a project that involves numerous tables and requires a uniform look. Let's dive in and walk through the step-by-step process together. First, you need to open up your web browser. Any browser you have will work, but for this demonstration, let's use Google Chrome as it tends to integrate seamlessly with other Google services. Once you have your browser open, head over to the Google homepage. From here, if you're not already signed in, you'll want to sign into your Google account. You'll see the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, enter your email address, and click Next. Make sure to enter your correct password when prompted, then click Next again. Signing in gives you access to all of Google's services, including Google Docs. After you've signed in, look towards the top right corner of the Google homepage. You'll notice a small grid icon, sometimes referred to as the Google Apps menu. Click on this icon and a drop-down list of Google services will appear. Here, select Google Docs. This will take you directly to the Docs homepage where you can create or access your existing documents. Once you're in Google Docs, open the document that contains the tables you wish to resize. Now let's adjust the tables to be uniform in size. Start by right-clicking on one of the tables in your document. Doing so will bring up a context menu. From this menu, select the Table options. This is where you'll find various settings to alter the appearance and dimensions of your tables. To make your tables uniform, click on Column within the Table Options menu. You'll then want to click on Column Width. Here, you can set the specific size you'd like your columns to be. For a consistent look, make sure to apply this width to all tables in your document. After setting the column width, move on to the next step, which is to adjust the rows. Still within the table options, now navigate to row. Similar to the columns, you'll find an option for minimum row height. Click on it, and you can specify the exact height you desire for your rows. Again, ensure you apply this setting to each of your tables to maintain uniformity. Finally, there's a handy option labeled Allow Row to Overflow Across Pages. Click on this to allow your table rows more flexibility when spanning multiple pages, which helps maintain your document's neat appearance. And that's it. You've now successfully made all tables the same size in your Google Docs document. This simple task can greatly enhance the visual consistency and professional look of your documents. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.